What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kayla here, back with another video. It's been a little minute since I've done a hair video. We're gonna get into these no boho island twists. So I'm going to be using 2 to 3 packs of the Outre Expression hair. I believe this is the 52-inch, if I'm not mistaken. You guys can get it at your beauty supply store or order it off of Amazon. I am using the color Dragon Fruit because my hair is like a burgundy color right now, but it's like fading out. So for my sectioning, I am going to do medium-sized parts because although it may look like I have a lot of hair, your girl's hair is very, very fine. Like once I put that gel and jam on my hair, it's over with. So this is me showing you guys just my sectioning. If you want some clean, crisp parts, make sure that you are adding your jam or your gel before you part your sections so that you can have clean, nice sections. But when it comes to the back, I really don't care. Just throwing that out there. Okay, so this is my sectioning. So this is how it's going to be looking. I'm just going to let the video roll out.
I hear you talking about we a lot. Oh, you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now.
So for each section, I am going ahead and adding jam, and then I'm going to separate it into 3 pieces. I thought my camera was positioned a little bit better. And then I'm just going to braid my hair down about 4 to 5 times before I go in and adding any pieces of hair. So once you get ready to add the pieces of hair, you're going to bust those 3 pieces into 2 pieces, and you're just going to go ahead and add the hair right in the center, pinch it, and then you're going to twist one of them one direction, and then the other one you're going to twist in the opposite direction. So make sure that you're holding it tight so that it does not unravel, and then you're going to begin twisting. So this is the method that I'm going to be using. Like I said, my hair is very fine. If you have thicker hair, then it's going to look better like at the beginning part, but this is the method that I'm going to be using and that has worked for me. So then you're going to be twisting all the way down, and once you get to the bottom, I'm just going to pull out a piece of hair, wrap it around, pull the hair through, and I'm going to tie a knot twice. So you can't see it very clearly here, but in a few clips later on down the line, you're going to see exactly what I did. But you see a little knot, that's what you want to keep it in place, and that's what your twists are going to look like. So here's another shot, the same thing. Braid your hair, bust it down into 2. Make sure you go ahead and add the hair in the center, hold on to it, twist in one direction, make sure you're holding it down tight, and the same thing you're going to twist in the opposite direction for the other piece. Make sure you're holding it down tight, and then that's when you're going to begin twisting, and you're going to twist all the way down. Now if you do get the 52-inch length hair like I did, I believe it's 52-inch, I'm not even sure, but if you do, then you should only need to pull out 1 piece of hair. You shouldn't have to add in multiple pieces of hair, but if you do, just add accordingly if you get a shorter length. But that is the clip that I was referring to you guys about tying the knot, and this is how the front part of my hair looks with the twist. I absolutely loved it. Like, it looks so cute and full. Like, look at it, so cute. So what you're going to do at the ends, I just grabbed one of these purple flexi rods, and I'm going to just wrap the hair around the rod for each section. I believe I used about maybe 6 to 7 rods for my entire head.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot. Oh, you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hate you look like, do you wanna hang?
So your end results should look like this. And if you don't have one of those little like mugs and you're gonna put your hair in a pot, just be careful because the water is hot. The steam is hot. okay? So then I'm going to unravel them. The curls look super duper cute. This is probably my favorite part. Like any type of hairstyle that I do, I absolutely love having curls in my hair. This time I just felt like not adding the boho, because when it comes to this color, I feel like it's kind of hard to find a color that matches. So this is the mousse that I'm gonna be using. It's by The Do. It's called Gangsta Rap, and I'm just putting that all throughout my hair. Now let's get into the final results.
Fuck me, then fuck you, and that's the way I like it. Yeah, that's the way I like it.
If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you guys do this hairstyle, make sure you guys tag me in it, whether it's on TikTok, whether it's on YouTube, whether it's on Instagram where you're showing off your hairstyle. Let me know what you guys think about this method, like my approach on how I took it. All right, again, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. As always, I love y'all and I appreciate y'all, and until the next one, peace.